Have you ever noticed your Linux Mint computer feeling a little slower than usual, even though the system monitor says everything is fine? Maybe an application freezes for a moment, your fans suddenly become louder, or your desktop just does not feel as responsive as it did yesterday. The problem is that the default system monitor only shows part of the picture. It's useful for basic information, but it often misses the details that explain why your system is slowing down. One of the biggest advantages of Linux is that it gives you access to professional monitoring tools that are lightweight, fast, and completely free. They help you understand exactly what your computer is doing in real time, making it much easier to spot problems before they become serious. Today, I'm going to show you 5 monitoring tools that I regularly use on Linux Mint 22.3. They're simple to use, consume very few resources, and can help keep your system running smoothly for years. Let's start with the first tool, called Btop. If you've never used Btop before, you're going to appreciate how much information it provides without feeling overwhelming. As soon as it opens, you're greeted with a clean dashboard showing processor usage for every core, memory consumption, swap usage, network traffic, storage activity, and all running processes. Everything updates in real time, giving you an instant view of your system's health. What makes Btop especially useful is its process viewer. You can sort running applications by processor usage or memory consumption and quickly identify anything using more resources than expected. If a browser tab suddenly starts consuming several gigabytes of memory or a background process refuses to calm down, you'll see it immediately. Applications installed through Flatpak, Wine, or other compatibility layers sometimes leave helper processes running in the background, and Btop makes those easy to identify. For many Linux users, Btop becomes the first monitoring tool they open whenever something feels different. The next tool is called Bottom, also known as BTM. Although it looks similar to Btop, it focuses on something slightly different. Instead of only showing what is happening right now, it also helps you recognize performance patterns over time. Imagine opening several applications, copying files, watching a video, and then launching your favorite editor. Sometimes performance problems last only a few seconds before disappearing again. By the time you open another monitoring program, everything appears normal. Bottom makes these short performance spikes much easier to notice because it continuously updates detailed graphs for processor activity, memory usage, network traffic, and storage performance. It's one of the easiest monitoring tools to recommend, especially for users who have recently switched from Windows. Our third tool is called Glances. The name describes it perfectly, because one quick look tells you almost everything you need to know about your computer. Instead of monitoring only one resource, Glances combines processor usage, memory, storage, network activity, temperatures, running services, and system load into a single screen. One feature I really like is that Glances automatically highlights potential problems. When processor usage becomes unusually high or memory starts running low, the values change color, making it very easy to identify what deserves your attention. You spend less time searching through graphs and more time solving the actual problem. Whenever someone tells me their Linux Mint installation suddenly feels slower than usual, Glances is often the first tool I recommend. Our fourth utility focuses on something many people forget to monitor, and that's storage activity. Even if your processor is mostly idle, your computer can still feel slow if the storage drive is constantly busy. That's where Iotop becomes incredibly useful. Iotop shows exactly which applications are reading from or writing to your storage device in real time. This is particularly helpful while copying large files, creating timeshift snapshots, installing updates, or editing videos. If your solid-state drive suddenly becomes the bottleneck, Iotop quickly reveals which application is responsible. Instead of guessing why your system feels sluggish, you get a clear answer within seconds. The final tool is Nvtop. If your computer has a dedicated graphics card, this utility is definitely worth installing. It supports NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel graphic hardware, making it useful for almost every modern Linux system. When you launch Nvtop, you can monitor graphics processor utilization, video memory usage, temperatures, clock speeds, power consumption, and video encoding activity in real time. This information becomes especially valuable if you edit videos, create 3D content, play games, or use applications that rely on hardware acceleration. During a video export, for example, Nvtop lets you confirm that your graphics card is actually doing the work. If temperatures become too high or utilization looks unusually low, you can investigate before performance begins to suffer. Now that you've seen all 5 tools, let me share a simple maintenance routine that takes less than 5 minutes each week. Start with Btop and make sure processor and memory usage look normal while your computer is idle. Then open Bottom and watch for unexpected performance spikes that appear over time. Next, launch Glances to check for anything unusual across the entire system. Spend a few moments with Iotop to verify that no application is constantly writing to your storage drive. Finally, open Nvtop while editing videos, gaming, or using other graphics-intensive software to confirm that your graphics hardware is performing as expected. That's all it takes. There's no need for complicated optimization software or unnecessary system tweaks. Linux Mint is already designed to be efficient. The goal is not to constantly optimize your computer. The goal is to understand what your computer is doing so that you can solve problems quickly whenever they appear. One of the reasons so many people enjoy using Linux is the amount of control it provides. Instead of hiding important information behind complicated menus, Linux gives you powerful tools that let you see exactly how your system is performing. Once you become familiar with these utilities, troubleshooting becomes much easier because you're working with real information instead of making educated guesses. If you're moving from Windows, these tools may feel different at first, but after a few days they become second nature. They're lightweight, responsive, and surprisingly easy to understand. More importantly, they help you build confidence in your system because you always know what's happening behind the scenes. I hope this video introduced you to a few tools that you hadn't explored before. Try them for a week and see how much better you understand your Linux Mint installation. You might discover that keeping your computer healthy is much simpler than you expected. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Tech Solutions for more Linux Mint tutorials, practical tips, and easy-to-follow guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.